In this video I will show you how to add numbers to this PDF free. Let's begin. We have the PDF open here. It has 16 pages. As you can see, we have no page number here. No page number. We will use this PDF as the example. Open up the browser you are using. I will use Chrome. Type in the search bar, ilovepdf.com. Go to this option here that says Page Numbers. Go get the PDF you would like to add page numbers to. I will use the example PDF I showed you before. Drag and drop anywhere on this website. We have the option here to position the numbers, right, center, or left. We will keep the default settings. We have a few more options here. Just leave it as is. Push the button here that says Add Page Numbers. Now push the big red button here. New PDF is now being downloaded to your PC. Go to your Downloads folder and retrieve the new PDF. Let's open it up. We have a number here. Scroll down. We have a number here. We have successfully added page numbers to a PDF.